boys. We all up in the chat. We all up in the chat. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Righty ho, send the Instagram link. Copy invitation. Go to Instagram. Nice. Okay. Welcome everyone to the learning session. What's up, my bro? Morning. Let's get some nice, relaxing music on. Oh, not that. Fucking hell. Get off my screen. There we go. We'll have some nice slow music to get us in, and then we'll get it better. We'll get a bit louder as we can go on. Is that the right noise for you guys? Ask me if it is. Right. YouTube stream needs to be here. Good stuff. Everything's running nicely. 6 viewers already, man. Raj stream it on today, so we'll be getting some views. So let's have a look. Let's start again. Let me just do an Instagram thing to tell people I'm on. I'll do an Instagram. Morning, welcome. We are live. 7 viewers already, just started. 5 likes, let's go. We're going to be breaking down GJ any moment now, so make sure to come in and join. So, GJ. Okay. Alright. Let's just get all of this mess out. Yo, let's get it. Yes, sir. Yesterday was a good day, man. Yesterday was a 60 pip move. I was flying. Okay. So, let's do a fresh analysis here. I'll wait a bit more for people to come. I'm a bit early today. I was just excited to be on the stream. Get them likes up, boys. Yes, let's go. 6 likes already. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna be looking at GJ. Let's have a look at the news first before we start measuring out. So guys, today we have got Euro news and GBP final services PMI. Lovely stuff. Let's have a look. I think everything's all good. Am I muted in this chat? No, I'm not. Okay, cool, wicked. So yeah, I think we're alright for news until 9:30. Then we might have to wait, but I think it'll be good for now. So we had this really big drive down yesterday, which I caught a fucking shitload of pips on here. I caught a shitload of pips, which is nice. Furthermore, we've actually came all the way back up. So let's just start on the daily time frame as we always do every morning, guys. 8 likes on the stream already. Let's go. I seen Raj not doing his stream today. I was like, bruh, he needs to stay consistent, bruh. To be fair, he's been staying consistent for so long now. So if you guys aren't new to the stream, make sure you like and subscribe, all that good jazz. So we're going to be making our daily line here. So this is our daily flip. So actually yesterday, even though we pushed all the way down, we actually closed bullish, which is interesting. 4-hour flip is here. So the 4 hour has got 2 hours 30 left. It's already made its lower wick. So, and this looks like it's starting to leave this little zone it's just made right here. So if you look, right here, this is a little 4-hour zone. We've actually closed above on this candle, and now this one's made its lower wick, and it should start to exceed. Okay, so it looks like I'll be looking for buys today, which is great stuff. So let's look on the hourly time frame here. Yeah, so you can see the hourly has a certain sort of resistance here, which we're starting to close above, which is good. If you look on the 30-minute, morning everyone, 17 viewers already. Shee. So we can see that we had resistance here, and we actually closed above it, and we're actually starting to make a support on it. So if you can see here, this is kind of my resistance line it was holding. I'll do it more here. right here. Let me move it up a bit more. The reason why I picked it here instead of a bit higher up is because this is like later Asian. I don't really class Asian as much of a indicator, but you can see here we had a resistance here, and we had a support here. We've had a resistance here, and now I had a support. So this is the really real kind of level we're looking at here, which is good. Let's just clear that. Okay, great. So the next thing, we're actually coming up now, which is nice. We can see that there is a resistance at this level right here. So at 151,989, which looks like we're blasting off, but I don't really care. I'm waiting for the candles to close because the past 30 minute did not close above this region here. So yeah, even though this candle's wicking up here, we don't know how far it's going to go because last time we were here, right here, we couldn't close. So we need to be very careful here. I want to close above this resistance, either on the 15 minute or the 30 minute, which would be nice. If you look here, so you see I need a 15 minute close above. And if we do get the close above, where are we going to go? Well, let's have a look here. We're going to maybe come back to these highs up here. So let's have a look. If we get a close in this region here, we have 18 pips to go, which is not too bad. Furthermore, if we actually do break these highs above here, right here, where are we going to go to? Well, after we break this resistance here, we've got the next kind of level here, which was once a support right here, and then active resistance here and resistance here. So that's another, let's see, 16 pips. So we've got some nice ranges already, which is really good. Morning, welcome chat, welcome to a brand new day on the greatest London stream ever. I'm gonna be doing some cool things soon, actually, guys. I'm gonna be doing some like spin the wheels, some fun stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. We've got 3 people in the chat. Max, are you speaking because I can't hear anything? Oh, sorry, 1 second. I don't think Zoom can hear me. Oh, there. There we go. There we go. It's working. It should be working now. God, I keep on the Zoom keeps on going out. Right, let's go. Right, so 27 concurrent viewers. We're doing well here. So yeah, but basically, what I'm waiting for is either a 15 or a 30 minute close above this resistance to expect buys. And what I'm going to be looking for is something like this. This is what I like doing every morning, guys. So you need to map out what you're looking for. So here, I am going to be looking for certain trades like this. I want this candle to close like this. Right here. Next one to make a lower wick. Continue. Next one to make a lower wick. Continue. That's the trajectory I'm looking at, but I need this close. This is the close I need, because here we didn't close before. And you know, we need the close because price can reject this at any point at this time because it's happened before. So always use your past data on the left hand side to really indicate what's happening. 24 confirmed viewers, 14 likes in the stream already. Oh, you can tell when Raja's streamers are on. Jeez. But welcome anyway. So yeah, we've got a daily resistance. We've got a daily flips on the 4 hours. So we are bullish biased at the moment. And we've got some nice zones to break if we do exceed. But yeah, I'm wanting this close above, preferably the 30 minute. I'd rather have the 30 minute close here, but we shall see. Morning everyone in the chat. If you've got any trades you did yesterday, you want me to analyze them, let's go. Yesterday I got that move and it was amazing. This move here. So this is, I think if people saw my Instagram, I got in at here. My stop loss was not even, I think it was 8 pips or something. And I actually got the full 60 for most of it, which is rather nice because I knew it was going to tank because the look at the 4 hour and stuff. We were leaving resistant, we were leaving this zone. I was like, bruh. But then obviously it came all the way back up. So this is a clear support here, and you can see we're reacting off it now. But morning chat. Yeah, let me get some water down as I'm really dehydrated. So yeah, we just need to wait for this 15 minute candle to close. And then the 30 minute maybe. Because I know it's London Open will give me the volume, so I'd rather not be in a trade before London Open. That's just kind of one of my rules. It just makes sense to me. to get in a bit later on. If you guys are not new to this stream, I hope you enjoy it. And also, if you guys have got any charts, just press your camera button here. Your camera button, copy it, and then in the chat do this. So you wait 1 second. I'll put the chat above. So in the chat, do this. You press this, Control C, Control V, and then just take out all of the stuff and leave the X there. Leave the X in this kind of bit, so like that. And that takes a picture of it, and I'll analyze your trade and see how they're going. So yeah. Next thing we're gonna look at is gold. So let's get that up, and I'll also do a GU because I know a lot of people here do GU. So let's have a look here. 29 viewers. We're gonna be smashing TP already. Wow. So look at this, guys. Gold is starting to come up, but we are still in a clear range here. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is deleting everything. I'm going to delete my alert here, which never got crossed when I actually put it on. So what we're going to do with gold. So if you guys aren't new here, I basically use horizontal lines, 2 of them for higher time frames, for daily flips and daily 4-hour flips. So here I make my daily a yellow line. So that means if we cross this yellow line, we are flipping a higher time frame, which is very, very important. Then we're going to go down to the 4-hour here, which is right here, and this is going to be the 4-hour flip. Nice. And I'm going to lock that in as well. So as you can see, we're actually reacting on the support I kind of made here, and we're actually starting to come up, which is interesting. So let's do this. If we start coming in to leave this zone here, where are we going to come back up? Well, we're going to be hitting these resistance lines here, and furthermore there's one up here, which is fine. So safe buys, I mean, we made a nice little support here as well, which actually stays true to this zone here. So we had support here, we've came up, broken this kind of level of support down here, came up, and now we're resting on that support and starting to break off it. But what I would do, guys, if you guys are not new to gold, one thing you should probably do is leave it for the time being, because if we look at the news of Forex Factory, we have news later on, and tomorrow, and the next day. So Friday is the big day, I think. Oh wait, no, sorry, this is Thursday. Friday here, really, really big day. So normally when there's a big day, a big move on like Friday or something, the days before will be ranging, and the volume just won't be there because it's waiting for news. As you can see, if you look at the hourly, this whole range here has been rough. Like you can tell, you know, price has been sitting here just ranging, and this is quite a tight range for gold. I mean, let's have a look here. So this range here is, you know, barely even 100 pips, and this has been here for days. So that's pretty mad. So yeah, we just need to wait for gold and wait for our setups properly. But I'm still looking for sells below 1806 when they come, and buys. I'm probably not going to be even looking at buys, because look, daily's bear. The past daily's been bearish. If it flips this candle, this daily candle, that's going to be nice. The 4-hour, yeah, it's bullish, but still in this kind of range here. So I'm only looking for fully sells below this region here, right here. Probably a bit further down. I think it's 1806 I was looking at. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna be alright for gold here. We're gonna be waiting patiently for that for the next couple of days, I think. Now in 5 minutes time, we're going to get a close on GJ. So there's different ways to go by this. You can wait until the 30-minute closes, which will be the open of London, or you could be happy to enter them now. Depends, it depends. Welcome everyone. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure you do. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the description. I'm going to be answering all of your questions. I'd answer them now, because when the stream gets big and we're getting like fucking 300, 400, 500 views, it's so much harder to answer questions. So when it's small, we can answer the questions. So 4 minutes 40 left for this, which is nice. In the meantime, let's have a look at GU, because I know a lot of people like GU. We'll do it here. And let's have a look. So let's get rid of these lines here. So let's see what GU's saying today. Same kind of story as GJ, I think. Yeah, came down, made some support. Looking good. Horizontal lines again. This is the daily flip, so this is going to be yellow right here. And then the 4-hour flip is going to be here. Let's zoom in a bit more. Yeah, 4-hour flip. That's going to be a blue line. Oh, not that blue line. Oh yeah, nice. So these are my little lines already. We'll go down to the lower time frames. All time frames are bullish because they are we are above the higher time frame, so we're all bullish. We have some resistance at this point right here, which you need to be careful for. So it seems to be just having a little range here. But if we do get a close above here in either 3 minutes time or 18 minutes time, that could be looking good for looking for buys. And the zone we've got here is a nice 16 pip zone. That would be nice for some buys, I feel. Let's have a look at the hourly. Yeah, so I would wait for the hourly. And if price closes above here, you'll be grand. But you know, getting in early here now could be bad because there was a resistance before, so you can't not lie that this could reject. So wait for a close above, and you should be good. And sells would still be probably below this range here. So if you look and do it more accurately, if you do start getting past these zones here, it is very, very choppy here. But there's a little zone there you could probably catch. But mainly today is buys because the higher time frames, you should always stick with the higher time frames. And at the moment, they are bullish. Morning chat. Morning, everyone. Lovely stuff. Right. So yeah, I'm waiting for this close in 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time we should be good. For a 15-minute, and then what I'm wanting to see is either a low created or the next 30-minute. And as you can see, guys, in 2 minutes time, if this candle here can't really close solidly, so like solidly like this, then I'm gonna be waiting for the 30-minute because I want either a clear sign of breaking this resistance here, and if we don't get that, then I want to wait for the 30 and the hourly to close. Okay. And as you can see, this is why we wait for candles to close here. In 1 minute's time, we are hitting the same zone, and it could be acting as a resistance. So we need to be careful. So this is why I'll be waiting for the 30-minute to close now in 60 minutes time, where instead of entering on the 15, because this is a very, very weak closure in a minute's time. If we close like this, I don't want to be playing with this. I want a nice close above properly. And as you can see, the 30-minute and the hourly actually haven't closed above this resistance. And if the 50-minute closes weak, it's not really that good. Okay, Steven, that's what I'm looking at on GU, mate. But looking on the 50-minute for a close, do you advise waiting on the hour close just to be more safe? Yeah. If you're feeling a bit risky, happily go for it, but I'd wait for the hourly. Even here, yeah, so in 53 seconds time, we haven't closed above this resistance here, so there's no trade. There is no trade, If you wait for the close above in 30 minutes time, you should be good. But yeah, at the moment, there's nothing there. This 50-minute, on the other hand, is closing above. But it's how I want to wait. I kind of want to wait for the 30-minute. So I'll be waiting for the 30-minute. Should have waited for close but got break even. Ah, on GJ. You get in early. Yeah, so a lot of people would have got in here on the push. But when you get in, you need to stop loss or break even pretty quick because you're doing an impulse entry. But if you wait for candles to close, it's a lot easier. 23 viewers. It says 30 viewers on here. What does this mean? Right, 30 viewers is here, and then 23 viewers is there. So I'm like, wow, bro, there's like 7 people just died or something. 19 likes in the stream. Jeez. Yeah. Send the chart, bro. I'll have a look at the chart. Nice. But yeah, we are just waiting for these candles to close here, and it'll be good. Morning. Welcome, everyone. Okay, amazing. So another a chart. Let me have a look here. Great stuff, guys. You know how to put the charts in. I love that. Right. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit. Here. Oh, piss off. I always do that. There we go. Okay, this is GJ on the 15-minute time frame. So first candle closing above resistance, okay. Move stop this. Perfect start of the new candle, creating bottom wick right away, waiting for the pass of the high. Okay. Executed at the pass of the high, stop loss below doji, which is 7 pips. Nice. Move stock loss to break even at 5 pips, risk free. So how much did you get on that? Wait, 1990. Let's have a look. So how much did it run? So you got in there. So yeah, so it only ran 4.7. Yeah. But you were very, very good to put your stops to break even at that point. So a lot of people wouldn't have put their stops to break even, and that was risky because of this resistance here. So it's good you knew about that. But great analysis, great chart thing. I think with volume at 8 o'clock that would have been fine. But yeah, I'm definitely waiting for this 8 o'clock now, because you know what are those things I'm saying before? We need the hourly to close, but the next hourly needs to make its bottom wick. So I'm just wary that we could make the bottom wick. We most times do. So I'm just waiting for this in 12 minutes time to just do its own thing. But I'm really wanting that 30 pip close, 30 minute close. Yeah, only 5 pip, not enough to secure. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Hi, why waiting for the 30-minute close? Because the 50-minute closed by. So normally, if this is the normal time frame, if it was anything not at 7:45, so can you see our time frame is 1/4 an hour? Okay, the reason why I don't like entering here is because in 50 minutes time the 30 minutes going to close, which as you can see here the 30-minute hasn't closed above resistance yet. This is resistance, we haven't closed yet. It will in 12 minutes time. And also the hourly, so that's the first thing, and I want the 30 minutes to close because it's more confirmation. And secondly, the hourly is closing in 12 minutes time as well, and the hourly needs to make a lower wick for me, to be honest, because most hourly candles have a lower wick. Okay, I'm waiting for this candle to close, come down, make a lower wick, and then when we start exceeding, this is the trade. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, let me I've recorded. Okay, good stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm wanting, and then to exceed, etc., etc., come up here. That is what I'm looking for here, but I'm waiting for this hourly to close because it gives you more clear confirmation. Whereas at the moment on the 15-minute, it's risky business. Even though we did get a close. Oh wow, look at that, it's running. But yeah, it's before the hourly, so I don't want to be in it. Wow, look at that. Woo! So on the flip there, people could have got in, but for me, nope. Look at that volume. Look at that volume, boy. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm happy with that volume. This hourly is gonna close. And I should be up like 6 pips. Not too bad. Not sort of 6 pips. Not too bad. So this is the next level of resistance here. If we do get a close above this resistance, where are we going to end up? Well, you can see actually there's a bit of a support made here. Yes, this is nice. Okay, sorry. Let me just do this. There's a little bit of a resistance here. So I just looked left here and I can see that there was some sort of support which is held right here. And also it was held here. So this kind of candle now, if it closes above this kind of region and then taps this zone back here, it will be good. But as you can see here, it's just chilling around. A lot of volumes coming in the markets, but for me, there is no trade at the moment. I am waiting for closes above, preferably actually above this region here now. Just because I've seen the support here, and obviously as support is formed, it also is the resistance at some point. So a close like this right now would be nice. I'll be happy with the close like this. Then a lower wick, and then when we're in a trade, if we get to like this zone here, I'll be closing the partials. Done for the day, entered on the 4 hour. Wow, 4 hour, nice. 20 pips. Is the music too loud or too low? Please tell me. 37 concurrent viewers, guys. Welcome, welcome. Make sure you give a like in the stream. We're going to be looking at GJ buys today. Waiting for this hourly to close in 9 minutes time. It'll be another good day on the stream. But yeah, so you can either wait. There's two different ways to do this. You can either wait for this candle to close above this kind of resistance, which will be here, or you could actually wait for price to make a low on the next hourly and then start coming. Oh, not hearing any music. To be fair, bro, this music, I need a bit more heightened music, man. Copyright free music. I know there's one that says copyright, but it actually isn't, which is annoying. Hip hop.
10 courses, over 25.
Oh yeah, wow, 10 courses. Look at this. Oh my god, amazing. Holy shit.
99% off now.
99% off. That's when you know it's a value for money. Holy shit. That's a good one. It's still the same shit. Oh well, I'll sort that out next days. Let's have a look what GU's doing. Oh, GU had a nice break. Okay, this is good. So if this candle closes in 8 minutes time, that could be nice, but just be careful, guys, for the hourly bottom wicks to be made. That's my only issue here. The hourly bottom wicks can be quite ruthless, so you have to be careful with them. I'm just seeing how big the ranges are to the left. So if you look left, let's see how clean the candles are. So they actually are pretty clean coming back up, to be honest, back to this zone here. So 152.32. So you can see this matches up with this kind of level here. Let me just put that further down like this. But you can see there is a clear resistance at this zone here. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is this. This is a support. This is a support. This is a resistance. So yeah, we need to be really careful here. Obviously with momentum we should be good, but if I get into a trade here, if I get into a trade bit lower down, like here, etc., if we wait for the low wick and then the flick up, my stops will be at break even by the time we get to here, which is 9 pips away, which is fine. The 4 hour is looking good. I am also just a bit wary of this resistance here, but as I said, when we get to this resistance here, my stop loss will be at break even for sure. But yeah, so it's a bit choppy at the moment. I'm wanting some nice clean. I mean, this candle here was good, it's just the resistance here was too bad, so I'm waiting for this candle to close here. And yeah, let's make this line. Why is this line so big? Oh my god. So this is gonna be a nice close, man. Let's get rid of this. This is my new line. I don't really care enough for it. But yeah, a lower wick to here would be nice, and then maybe flipping it would be pretty decent. For the hourly, it's just this resistance here that we've got. This is what I'm not liking. And I know it's only 9 pips away, but oof, like, as long as we get in early, we could be alright. But we'll just wait where this candle closes. I'd rather this candle close a bit lower, to be honest, and make a lower wick and then flip. But we shall see. GU closing in 5 minutes time. This is going to be a good closure. GU's looking actually better because it's cleaner up. They've only got this level of resistance here, so if we actually get a close above this resistance here, this will be nice to continue bullish. We're back up to these zones here. So if this closes bullish, we've got 10 pips to the actual next zone, and then to fill up the next zone is 37. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh, bro, that fucking tea is rank. It's fucking cold again. So yeah, we're waiting for this. Gold, I'd stay away from gold. Gold looking like ass. Morning, Wayne. Morning squad. My live stream keeps on dipping from like 17 views to like 39. Like, rah. Morning. But yeah, I'm waiting for GG's have been a bit choppy right now. I don't really like it. Even though the candles and the volume's there, I'm looking left, and the left doesn't look good. It's just this here is a bit of a bastard. So closes above here would probably be better. and then wait for like kind of the lower wick and all that kind of jazz. So if we do close above here, where's the next zone? So yeah, this is kind of a little mini one, but I wouldn't actually say this is the next zone. This is probably the next zone. This is the next one here, and resistance only started. So when this candle pushed up here, there was nothing here. When this candle pushed up here, there was resistance at this level. So this is more of the resistance here. So this is good. This is good now. I was saying like the resistance here is just when it fell down and it acted as support here, but actually when price started coming up here, it only started resisting at this level here. Right, yeah, I got a sense maybe London Open might retrace back into the range. I hope I'm wrong though. Well, we can see, you know, it doesn't matter. We'll just see where price goes, but I'm waiting for this hourly to close 100%. And because you haven't closed above this region here, this is kind of annoying. So we have to be patient here. That last 15-minute was a good fucking trade, to be fair. It didn't even hit 10 pips, to be honest, so I'll still be probably in it. But a close above here is better because you've got a nice cleaner range up right here. 26 pip range, which will be nice. So yeah, 4 hours nice. 4 hours got 2 hours remaining, not too bad. It's just that this hourly needs to close above this resistance for me to take a trade, unfortunately. So I will not be taking GJ trades until we've closed above this region. Can you see why? It's just a very, very, very big level of resistance, and screw that. Welcome to stream. Wow, we've got 27 likes already. God, you can tell when Raj's streams are. We getting the likes, boys. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, so I will not be taking any trades until at least a 50-minute close above this resistance. So what I'm going to be doing is actually going to be writing them down, because I haven't done them yet. So I'm going to get a 15-minute close. I know, sorry. Buys above 152. 150. There we go. Actually, it's a bit higher. 163. 160. Nice, like above this region. I'll maybe move this a bit higher, like here. Nice stuff. So that's all got it sorted. And then sells will be all the way down here. We can talk about sells later on, but sells I'll only be looking for when we break the daily flips. When this daily flips again. So if you can see here, when the daily flips right there. So I'm looking for basically buys above when the daily exceeds the high of the previous, which is good. I'm happy with that. Let me take this down a bit. There we go. So I hope that makes sense, guys. The reason why I'm not looking happy about this is because the hourly isn't closing above this kind of resistance here. And if people don't really get that, people are new to trading, let me just get my pencil out. Here, 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 here. All of these candles didn't close above this resistance here. So a lot of people have got faked out, and I don't want that to happen to me. So I'd rather wait and miss a move which maybe flies up than get stuck in this garbage, okay? Because this is how people lose a lot of money. They just stick on one day and they try and trade it, and it's just not a good day for it. So you have to wait patiently for the close above. And then when the close is above, we've got 26 pip range. Good. Let's have a look at GU. So let's look at the 4 hour. Nice. Hourly's looking nice. 30 minutes looking nice. Yep, so the 30-minute closes here. This is good. This is good. It's closing back in this range over here, which is good. This is only a mini kind of support resistance. I think it should be good. So what you can do here is you can either wait for this candle to close here. So this means the hourly is closed, and you need to wait for the lower wick, okay? Because if price pushes off straight away, that's fine. But for me, you need to wait for the lower wick. Because look at the hourly candles here; they all make lower wicks. So you have to be careful here. Let's have a look at GJ. Okay, yeah, so it's still stuck in here. No trade for me at all because this is a no trade zone, in my opinion. Let's have a look at GU. GU's making it. Oh god, this is gonna be saucy. So wait for the lower wick to form. probably around here, and then if this flips, you're gonna get a good risk to reward here, I think, as long as you blast past this zone here. The 4 hours bullish, 30 minutes closed above. You should at least get up to here, which is 10 pips away. So what I'm saying is, people who are wanting to look at this trade, wait for this low wick to form, exceed. But hopefully make this low wick a bit more aggressive, maybe down to here, because at the moment you only have like a 3 pip stop loss if it flip now. So let's just let it run a bit further, and that should be good. That should be good. If you guys have got any charts, feel free to send them. Always happy to look at charts, all that good stuff. So this is nice, man. I want this to push down a lot harder. This is good here as well. Just waiting for some volume to come in. Hopefully this next 15-minute candle can close like this, makes a slow wick, and then comes up, closes like this. Next one makes a slow wick, and then this. Oh wait, shit, sorry. This is my trade candle. That is my trade candle. Okay, because we're breaking above resistance, which is here, to continue back to the highs. And now that's how you do it. That is how you do it. Oh shit. What the hell? Boys on Zoom, I have to close it in a sec because I'm running out of time. I need to upgrade it. How the fuck do you upgrade it? Don't I give you one for free? How much is it? Anyway, I'll just do a new Zoom and I'll send the next link. So news, let's see if there's any news coming out. Nothing yet in the moment. So now we're going to be on the flip here. So let's see how big this stop loss is, if this is a good risk to reward. So a 5 pip stop to exceed, it could be quite good. You could wait for the high to be broken maybe, but the flip is quite nice. You're gonna buy into a 4 hour resistance with a 12 pip range. I'm not buying shit, bro. I'm just giving you an example. I don't trade GU. I trade GJ. And anyway, the hourly closed above, so yeah, it's valid. It's pretty valid, my boy. The hourly closed nicely. As long as we get a nice little low wick formed, probably to this line here, that would be nice. You're talking about GJ. GJ, the 4 hour resistance will be cleared after it's closed above here, so on the hourly and stuff. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm gonna be buying above that line, and still buying above that line. That is my line to buy. The buy line. 37 viewers. Get them likes up, boys. Boys and girls, let's go. Let's go. So let's have a flip here. Come on. This will be nice. The hourly nice. So you can see the hourly the hourly bottom wick here was only 4 pips as well. So it makes sense. It makes sense. 42 concurrent viewers. Let's go, boy. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's get that at 50. Get them likes up, man. Let's get 35 likes today. 35 likes is what I'm looking for, man. 35 likes will be fire. Look at gold. Gold's coming up. Gold hasn't made a low wick though, so that's unfortunate. If you don't know what low wicks are, you need to wait for low wicks because most, like 85% of candles here have a low wick and a top wick. This candle hasn't made its low wick yet. So if you're in a buy trade here, you need to be very wary because it's likely going to make a lower wick. And a lower wick, if you don't know already, is this. It is the lower wick like this. Then when the candle flips and does this, then you should be good. And that's how the low wicks work. Right, so we on the edge of flipping here, which could be interesting. Just saying, guys, I don't take GU because it's not my pair, but this is a good setup. If this is GJ, I'll be in it. So when this candle flips here, so you've got a good risk to reward here. You got for 4 pips stop or whatever. Really good stop. You can either wait for the high or the flip, because the hourly is made its bottom wick here. The 50 minutes ready to run. The 5 minutes starting to push. This would be a trade I would be in constantly at GJ. First target would be here, when you put your stops. Well, you put your stops to break even quite quickly around here. And furthermore, if you actually break up into this zone here, that is a really, really nice zone. Oh yeah. So running at like 1 pip profit, not too bad. But that's a really, really good stop loss here. Really, really good. We'll take it every day, win or lose. Facts, man. So we're going to be exceeding the highs now. So if you guys are taking this trade here, if it goes well, dubs. But how are you going to manage risk? Okay, so we need to talk about how you're going to manage risk. So you've already got a really tight stop if you've got it here. If some people have got it lower down here, that's rough. I mean, you could probably have it about here if you wanted. And then when we exceed the low of what's just happened now, I would take off 50, 75%. We're looking at the 50-minute and the 5-minute here. Yeah, there's not much you can do to risk manage here, but definitely if you're seeing the lows here at 100%, I'd take some off. But yeah, looking all good, looking all good. It's just GU's quite emphatic, I think, and that's why I don't trade it as much if people are asking. But I like watching it just to see if I could catch a move on it. And it's a lot cleaner today. It's a lot cleaner today. So as long as it doesn't exceed the previous 15, these trades still valid. It's just I normally like having a smaller stop loss here, specifically to keep managing risk, to be honest. And yeah, so let's have a look here. 5 minutes rejecting. So if it's come down here, I'd take off 50%, 100%. If your stop loss is around here, I'd keep the 50% on. So it should be okay for the 30-minute and the 15-minute. But it needs to make, as you said, a bottom wick. But this has only got 7 minutes left, so that was a perfect time to get in. And this is why GJ, you know, GJ the style, is why I use GJ for this, because it kind of works smoother. GU is a bit more emphatic and stuff like that. Like this, that would really never happen with GU. If we exceed the high and we fucking flip, we were definitely going to move there. So yeah, it looks like it's coming down now, unfortunately. So you have to wait for the 15-minute low. Still, GJ, we are not moving, GJ. Where is your volume, bro? God damn. Where is your volume? God damn. But yeah, definitely this kind of resistance here. Oof. Oof, chat. Need to be careful, need to be careful. We're coming down here, so I'll be taking off 50% now. But that was an idea I would take every single day on GJ anyway. GU, I don't know. Some people are probably better than me at GU. But this still could be the lower wick of the 30. So you could have re-entries a bit later on in the candle on the 30-minute. But it really depends where this 50-minute closes. As you can see, it's pulling down pretty hard. So if this 50-minute candle closes below resistance right here, like this. 1 second. This candle closes like this, back in the range which we've just broken out of here, then this was a fake out. This is a GU fake out, which is a shame, but that's sometimes what happens. Things to manage that, you couldn't really manage it because that was a perfect time to flip at this level. One of these things, sometimes market structure on the day is just not there, especially with GU. GU is sometimes trippy. Spread saved me on that one. Never got triggered. Had buy stops once. Kind of the high was passed. Yeah, it didn't actually pass the high. So if you're looking for passing the highs, that was good. I thought the flip was valid as well because it gave you more range to stop at your stop loss here. But that's good then. Thank God for that. Phew. But yeah, 30 minutes. Still got 20 minutes time. I'm still bullish. Like I think it's just making this lower wick. I did say at this level it's gonna hit, but it started running off straight away. We had like 8 minutes left of the candle, so it only took 7 minutes to make its lower wick. It's completely valid, 100%. So as you can see here now, as I said before, gold was making its lower wick. I said be careful because the gold hasn't made its lower wick, and you can see now it has. So you need to be very, very careful with the hourly time frames to make their lower wicks. You can see the GJ's make its lower wick as well, which is good. We've exceeded the low of the previous 50-minute candle here, so we need to just chill. I know you said you would take this trade any day. Do you think it was a risk trade to take into resistance, or you liked it because of the time of the market and movement? Like, did you think it was a risk to trade? No, this is so it's exactly what I said. I would take that trade any day if it was on GJ. Okay. Now GJ and GU aren't the same thing, and this is why I think GU is quite emphatic. When it moves, it wants to move quick, and when it when it calms down, when it has not much volume, it moves a bit stupidly. This is why I don't really trade GJ, but I'm GU. But on GJ, if that was the setup, and that if it was the exact setup, I would have been in that for GJ straight away. So I would have been in that on that flip here, stop loss below, because it was like a 5 pip stop loss, and then to exceed. That's a really good risk to reward. I would take that any day. I think it's going to push up now. Oh, well, we have to see. We have to see if it exceeds the low of the previous 15. It's not looking good. The 5 minutes also looking bearish now, so I'll be taking off losses here. We've got 18 minutes left of this candle though. So as long as you don't exceed the previous 30-minute bias is still good. But the 15-minute, if we do close back in this range here, it isn't looking good, unfortunately. Look at that. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Resistance. You need to be careful. So you can see here, we have some solid resistance, and that's why I was waiting for buyers above. Oh, fuck off. I'll do a new one. 1 second. So yeah, we're just waiting patiently. If you guys got any charts and all that kind of stuff, feel free to drop it in. I'm just going to make a new zoom. Nice. There we go. Where's my Instagram? There we go. There we go. Right, got me unmuted. Let's go. Let's go. All good. Let's go. Right, nice. 37 viewers, man. Get them likes up. It's been 28 likes for a while now. Let's get them up, man. Wait for these buys, bro. Let's get these buys in. Let's get these GJ buys. I still haven't taken a losing trade on the stream yet. Yesterday's trades. Oh my god, yesterday's trades. Oh, let's have a look for yesterday's trades. Custom period. Yesterday. Let's have a look. Oh fuck. Let's have a look here. We go down. Look at my big runners. They were flying. But yeah, 700 for the day isn't too bad. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Hello, Moochkin. So yeah, I'm waiting for this lower. Wow, so this lower wick is forming here. So this 30-minute passes the low of the previous. Oof. Is GU running? Yeah. So GU completely out. I'll be out of this trade now. It's exceeded the low of the previous. And in 1 minute's time, it's going to be closing back in the range. So this is not looking good for buys at the moment, is it, Dolly? Come here. Come here. Dolly, come here. Come say hi to the live stream. Come here. Dolly, come here. This is my little Dolster. What's this? What's this? Trading, yeah? This is trading. Which way is it going to go up, Dolster? Which way is it going to go up? Is it going to go up or down? Up or down? And yeah. And yeah. Melissa. So yeah, let's just wait for this candle to close. 40 seconds time. As long as GJ doesn't close above this kind of level here. 1 second. As long as GJ doesn't close below this region here, which it might do in 22 seconds, then the buys are still valid because we haven't closed back in the range. We're still in this range here. And as long as we start coming up to this price and start getting some nice trades up here, we'll be good. We'll be good. Welcome everyone. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be posting some cool stuff. I'm going to be making my streams a bit different. I want like spin the wheels and kind of like fun stuff, dress up days and shit. Like I'm saying, I want people like on Zoom and stuff to like dress up as like fucking Star Wars characters every so often on like cool days and shit. I'm like a fat nerd as well, so I want that kind of stuff, make it a bit more, interesting and a bit more lively than some other streams, because some other streams are so boring, man. Oh god, I sit at them and like, Jesus Christ, like, oh. So I want to make it fun and enjoyable as well as education. I think that's my little niche I can do. So the daily, even the last one was a very, very Doge candles. So Doji candle is this candle here, guys, and this basically means that price is very, very confused in where it wants to go. So it's very indecisive, basically. Let's have a look. So the 4 hour, yeah, if the 4 hour flips, this is not going to be looking good, but we're alright. We're alright as long as we stay above this resistance right here. We're good. And the buys are still valid, so 50 minutes time, good. I also know, I think I saw that we had some news at like 9:30, didn't we? But that's a long time away, so we got news at 9:30 here, so final services PMI. Forecast is 57.8, the previous 57.8, that's not too bad. If you guys got any charts as well, feel free to send them like this, and I'll happily look at them. What fish do you have in that tank in the back? I got a 3060 Ti. It's actually fire. It actually runs really well. I got a 3060 Ti and a Ryzen 5 3600. 3600 or 3800? I think it's just 3600. And like 32 gigs of RAM. It's fire, bro. I'm looking at a new monitor as well, man. Ah, bro. Let's see if we can look at this monitor. If anyone knows anything about monitors, is this a good monitor? 1 second. 1440p. Yeah. There was a monitor on this, right? Look at this stuff, right? If you guys are gaming nerds, please tell me. This one. This is what I'm looking at, bro. 258 pounds. It's 27 inch, 1440p, 165 hertz, 1 millisecond time response. It's only 25 quid. 258 quid. I rate that, man. I'm so tempted to get it right now, but I've already got 3, so I've already got 3 monitors. But I just want this one to play CS, because I play CS:GO quite a lot now, and like, oh, bro, like 60 frames is not fun. 60 frames is so shit. It's just, and I go on my mates' PCs, and oh, they feel so much better. Like, they just feel so much better. So yeah, gold's still messing about here. Exceeding the highs of the daily. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Exceeding the highs of the daily, man. That's a big time frame. But we go to lower time frames, and we are still ranging here. I will not touch gold until news comes out, and then it will be back to normal, I think. Oh shit. Okay. So how long has this got left? 11 minutes time. Oh, mate, if 11 minutes time we close above here, bruh. That'll be flipping the hourly. You can play a salary play here, to be honest. If you exceed the highs here. Where would my stop loss be, though? Let's have a look. 12 pips. I'm waiting for the close. Yeah, 152 level. Yeah, boy. I need to close above. So even though it sounds so tempting and stuff to get in right now, like if this flips and exceeds the high, you always have to look left, sorry, and the left will just go nope. Like, look at this resistance, bro. Look at this resistance. Like, we need to close above. So this is why, you know, the discipline is the biggest factor. If you can't be disciplined in this, bro, you're just screwed. What time frames are best for the price action? All of them. You use all of them. I use all time frames. This blue line, if you guys aren't new here, this blue line is the 4 hour flip. So if price exceeds this line, I know the 4 hour is turning from bullish to bearish. If this yellow line flips, this is the daily flipping. So I don't have to look at the 4 hour and the daily as much, because I know where they are. So look here, the 4 hour here, flip, the flip is there. Daily flip is down there, so that's fine. All time frames, higher time frames are bullish. Then I go into the lower time frames here, and I start to see, you know, what am I going to look for? I'm looking for a buy above this resistance here, and that'll be nice in 10 minutes time. In 10 minutes time. Just relax first, bro. Come on, don't run off straight away. Relax. Just get a nice close above at this line. That'll be nice for me. That'll be beautiful. So guys, if you haven't liked this stream already or subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. How many are we on now? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at YouTube's. Let's have a look. 381 guys. 381. I want like 500 by the end of this week. It's easy. Easy. 38 people watching, bro. This is growing every day. This has been like my biggest day by far. I think yesterday we got 34. Bear in mind, I just started last week, guys. Last week on Friday. Oh, was it Friday? No. The week before that. So growing really nicely. So price exceeding the highs now. This is really good. You could get in early right here, but I'm still waiting for the close. Still waiting for that close, boy. 9 minutes time, we could miss it, but I'm just very, very cautious at that level here. Let's have a look at GU now. Oh, still the same thing. Made it slow right here. Now it's starting to come back up. Okay. Let's just get magic keys kind of ready, just in case I need one. So exceeded the highs here. The 30 minutes exceeded. Oh, we could enter, bro, but it's just, oh, wait, I want to wait for this 30 minute to close, please. Yeah, I'm sticking to my discipline here. You have to stick to it. If you've got no discipline, you've got nothing in trading. I'm telling you. Even though sometimes you're so tempted, but bro, what time frames are the best for price action? There's no best time frame. Yeah, there is no best time frame. Just use any. Use all of them, apart from anything lower than basically 5 minute. But like here, like bro, I'm using all of them. Can you not see how I'm flicking through them like all the time? Why would you need to use one when you can literally use all of them? Yeah, and like the 4 hour, this could, if this is a 30-minute chart, I'll still tell you the same picture. It doesn't matter. So they're all price action. Oh god, oh shit. So we're coming up now. Nice, 7 minutes time. So this is looking good now. We've got a nice zone to fill. So if I'm in a trade and I get in like here, about this region here, my stocks will be at break even. That's 16 pips away, so we're pretty good. We're pretty good. 38 viewers and only 28 likes, bro. Get them likes up, boy. Get them likes up for the stream. We talked about GU at the moment. Let's see if GU's actually flipped now. Nearly. But GU got the solid hourly close, so this I expect price now to start pushing, at least coming up to here, and then furthermore back up here, which would be nice. And still waiting for this FOREX factory. News coming later on, which will be interesting. Right here. So at 9:30, final services PMI. That is the one I'm looking for. If this news is different, like so actually no, I need to tell you guys. So we know that news is coming at 9:30. So if I enter a trade before 9:30, I want to be out of the trade, or at least at break even before 9:30, because we don't know how that news is going to come out. It could be really, really bad. It could be really, really good. I either want to take profits before then, hopefully. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. So 6 minutes time. Still not bothered about getting into buys yet, because I'm waiting for this close above. Because you can see here, this ran all the way up here, but I'm wanting the close, man. I want the close. I don't want it to run off straight away though, so I'm literally holding my balls for this 5 minutes, like please. But you know, it's the discipline, man. It's hard, but it's the discipline. This can run off amazingly, but it also could reject like this. So I'm just. You need to know where you should be risky and where you should not. And at the moment, this is coming to a big resistance. I want to know, make sure that we're closing above right here. So that's what I'll be doing. Wow, I think we hit 40 viewers, man. 40 viewers is amazing. Last week when I started, I only had 15, so we're growing nicely. Amazing stuff. I need more likes though, boys. I need more likes. If we get a dub in the chat today, or if you get an L in the chat today, I haven't had an L in stream yet, so I want to actually show you a kind of an L. I think that'll be interesting to show you my emotions, like how I deal with them, because that's a really, really big factor. When I was younger, bro, I used to be so pissed off taking an L, but now I'm chill as hell. I like taking L's. They're good. You learn a lot more from them. Oh, and did you know the emotions when you take a winning trade and a losing trade are both, you know, the emotions when you take a losing trade are so much greater than emotions when you take a winning trade. When you take a winning trade, you're like, oh yeah, great, you know, I want to get some more now. Take a losing trade, you're like, oh man, so annoying, which is not good at all, because you always remember your losing trades. Hey bro, first time watching, I like your analysis. Great stuff, I'm very, very happy for that. Welcome, welcome. I trade price action. Some people would say it's scalping, but it's really not, because I literally use all the time frames. But basically, I look for 1 to 2 moves a day, maybe 3, which have a really high percentage win rate, and I'll enter on basically opens of you know, volume coming in. So for example, London now, and then later at like 12 o'clock I'll be looking at NY session. That's what I'll be doing. So in 3 minutes 3 minutes and 53 seconds time, I am going to be interested. But what am I going to do first, guys? If this candle closes, what am I going to be doing? What am I going to be waiting for? Don't be scared, don't be scared. Just say what you think I'm going to be doing. You probably get it right. So even though if we get a close above this region, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a lower wick, everyone, a lower wick. Okay, so can you talk more about patience and discipline? Yep, there's nothing much really to talk about for the lower wick, boy. Yeah. So patience and discipline. So the way you get patience and you get discipline is trusting your own process, trusting your own strategy. So if you don't really believe in your own strategy, or you don't have one, then your discipline, your patience is not going to be there. Your patience, like if you're going to be patient about something, you need to be pretty confident in it, in your analysis or whatever. So for example, if I got into a trade like here and an impulsive and it wasn't my trading style and I lost it, I'll be so annoyed because I didn't stick with my discipline, my rules. So you need to stick with your rules, and this is not on just trading. You need to do this in all walks of life, because if you don't stick to discipline in daytime, why would you do any different for trading? So like for example, if you're like a bit fat and you keep on eating and you can't lose weight, which is a bit like me at the moment, if you can't manage your discipline there, why are you going to manage your trading disciplines? You have to be disciplined in all walks of life. It's really good for you, it's really good, but it takes a lot of time. But you need first of all to find your strategy. You need to first write out your discipline rules and then just stick with them. And if they don't work, then maybe you need to change your strategy. But when you have a winning formula and you've back tested and you know it works very, very well, just stick with your discipline, trust. Hey, do you have any videos on your review of Funding Talent? How do you like it, your experience? Yes, I'm actually going to do that. I was meant to do that like last year, but I've been so busy. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do that at some point. I kind of want a bit more thing. I actually want to get the real account. I'm like a month away or something for the real account, because I had to put on another 50. I wanted to make my account bigger, so I put it like to 50k. But yeah, I'm going to definitely do a review. But most of all, absolutely amazing. The payouts were basically rapid. The payouts literally happened in 2 days, and yeah, really, really solid. So if you haven't already checked out Funding Talent, check it out. If you guys are just following me on YouTube, make sure to go to Instagram. Make sure you go to Instagram and go on here and then follow Stop Loss Matters. Lovely stuff. 836, we're growing nicely now. This is my 60 pip move yesterday. If you go on my link tree, this is where the Funded Talent affiliate link is, my Trello trade analysis, and the broker, and this YouTube channel. It's all in there. It's all in there. Right, this candle's going to close in 30 seconds time. Come on, close above there. Come on. Come on. Please, close above. Please, close above. After all that, bro, you're 25 seconds. Close above. Please, close above. If it doesn't close here, I'm sorry, but there's no entry for me, unfortunately, because of this. This is the discipline, man. These discipline rules, like fire, bro. I need a close. I need a big candle close here to give me some momentum. Low wick form, then this is the trade. Boom. Okay. Let's see how I could get in this. If not, no, I can't. I really can't. It's not my discipline rules, bro. Unfortunately, even if this runs up, I literally don't care less because it's not my rules and nothing is closed above this resistance yet. In 30 minutes time, it could. In 15 minutes time, it could. If this 15-minute candle closes above, that's good. And I'll be happy to enter. But at the moment, has this 30-minute made a wick yet? Yeah, it has made a little bottom wick, but this is about being really, really picky, man. You have to be picky. You need to wait for zones to close and break above. More questions, guys. Keep on bringing the questions in. Any good broker recommendations for US residents? Ooh, I don't know, guys. Anyone from the US here can help a guy out? I have no idea for US. Oh wait, you can do some which is where you use crypto, but I don't know if you're into that shit. But Trader's Domain does crypto, so crypto things, and I'm pretty sure Rajas does. Does Rajas do? So I know Trader's Domain's good though. Trader's Domain, I'll check that out. If you do with crypto, you don't need an address kind of thing, so you just use that, which is pretty good. Cheers, Max. Busy day. Hope you have a profitable day. Thank you very much. It's always profitable when you trade to your plan, I'm telling you. Did you do the flex or challenge accounts? Also, how are the spreads for GG? My broker for live account is 1.8 pips every day, so I'm looking to switch and thinking about Fun and Talent. Yeah, so Fun and Talent, they actually made their own servers. So I did the flex model, 50k. The broker on the accounts that they're giving you, the Fun and Talent, have zero commissions, which is amazing. So you get more profits for the 10% thing, and the spreads are cracking. I mean, spreads are like, you know, 1 pip for GJ. If that. So yeah, they've really fixed that because before it was really shit. So that's good. Why do you not trade crypto? I don't trade it. I just hold it. I just hold a bit of crypto. Trading it just seems a bit too volatile. There's not much going on. Anyway, I only trade GJ in gold. So I don't trade like loads of pairs because there's no point. If you trade too many pairs, you can't master. You can be good at them, but you can't master them. You have to master them, man. Stream going nicely. Big ups, man. Yeah, boy. 32 likes in the stream. Let's run that boy up. We're looking for buys above here. I'm waiting for this 50-minute to close above. Let's actually make this properly. So, do I want to close above? Yeah, so I'm wanting to close above this kind of resistance here. Above this kind of line here. Good there. Because this 50-minute came up. So 12 minutes time, that should be good, that should be good. 43 viewers, welcome everyone to the stream. This is Stop Loss Matters here, and we traded in London session as usual. Let's get it. So 26 minutes time, the hourly's gonna close. We're coming up here. We're breaking the highs. Oh, you could do an impulse here. You could do an impulse, but I'm not gonna. Because I'm not a pussy. I need the close, boy. I need the close, boy. I'm looking for the account right now. Which account type did you choose? Flex. Make sure to use my link if you sign up. That shit helps. It's very confusing, the descriptions. Yeah, just read it through. There's also videos on that help you. That's good. So we're actually seeing the high, the 5 minute here, which could be a good entry. Where would your stop loss be? Here? Oh, this could be quite nice, you know. Oh, bro. I really want to get into it, but I feel I should just wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. There's no point. But I think this is now is gonna run up. So if people are a bit more aggressive than me and get in there, that's fine. Stop loss below the actual current 15 minute is 10 pips. So if you got in like here, that'd be nice. You can see the high of the previous 5 minute. But yeah, I'm just waiting. And also, has this 50 minute made a lower wick? Yeah, it has. Not too bad then. Not too bad. 43 viewers. Jeez, 33 likes, mate. This chariot says no cash payouts. Oh no, I got cash payouts for Flex one. The Flex one's cash payouts. 10%, 10%. Let's have a look at the daily now. Yeah, so we still aren't exceeding the high of the daily, bro. So and need to be very, very cautious here. This is why I'm waiting for the candle to close. Did you choose Flex Classic? Yes, I did. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, look. Oh wait, this is renew every day. Oh yeah, it does. This is like the. Do you say any indicate? Do you use any indicators? Nope. I don't need any of that bullshit. No indicators at all. All I need to use is my eyes. My eyes are the indicators. All you need to do is look at the candles, where they point in, how they close in. I don't use indicators at all. Nope. Nope, no. It basically just makes your graph just look like ass. It makes you guess different things. It makes you kind of like think of an idea before it's even came to existence. It's just hard to be good on that. So 9 minutes time. This is good. This is good. 9 minutes time for GJ trade. Did GU get to there? Oh shit, it did. It's starting to. Just gonna hit that zone there. So yeah, this trade was completely valid, like I said. I mean, you could have done the onion here, but I'm still waiting right here for GJ. Honestly, bro, if you're a new trader, I suggest you go to the challenge. There's reasonable terms and no monthly charges. You'll have a good trading habits. Ah, the challenge, yeah. I didn't actually look at the challenge, to be fair. 46 concurrent viewers, guys. Welcome to the stream. My name is Max, and if you've got any charts, please feel free to put them in the chat. I'll happily review all of them, or any questions, anything. We've got a good chat going. But yeah, I'm waiting for this. So if people are new here, I am waiting for this candle to close above 152.160, 165, kind of that area, to look for continued buys, which will push the hourly above this resistance that's been holding. So I'm waiting for this 15-minute close. Yes. In 7 minutes time, is it going to hold or is it going to launch? I do not know. It looks like it's going to launch. But I'm still waiting. If I miss the trade, I miss the trade. That's my plan. I'll wait for the candles to close because I don't get stopped out a lot. And yeah, here's the magic keys as well. People, magic keys. Jeez. The on-screen one's really, really good if you haven't had it before. It's pretty fire. Japanese yen is very, very bearish currently. We some coded bad headlines earlier. Ah, interesting. That makes sense. This is why we're running up now. After making that support down here, we're running back up. What's the weekly looking like? Actually, weekly. So the weekly's still bearish and actually exceeded the low of the previous. Fucking hell. It's all over the place. It's all over the place, man. This 50-minute didn't really make much of a bottom wick, so it might actually make it a better one here. Tell me if I buy only screen magic keys, it's possible. Tell me if I buy only screen magic keys, it's possible. What do you mean? Yeah, you can just buy the magic keys online, yeah. I don't have the real one. I just have the online one because it's just easier. I have 3 monitors, so just keep it on there. And it was like fucking like £120 cheaper. That literally cost me like 19 quid. It's sick. Oh wow. So Japanese had the highest infection rate yesterday. So that was the drop yesterday. No, but that was the drop. No, but it's Great British Pound against Japanese. So if it goes down, that means GJ is getting weaker. It can buy less yen. Yeah, that doesn't make sense because if GJ goes down, that is the pound losing value or the Japanese currency strengthening. So that doesn't make sense. But fair enough for the news and stuff. We should be good today. Give it to the trading gods. Trading gods. 45 viewers. Nice. You don't have physical magic keys. No, bro. I've got this. I don't need physical. I got this one. Yeah, boy. You don't need the physical one. You can just buy it on the website. I need to get an affiliate link. Like the amount of people that talk about magic keys in my chat, I need to get an affiliate link badly. So yeah, 50-minute needs to make its low wick, but yeah, if no closing above here, that's not good. How is GG? How's gold? Nah, gold's still rough, man. Gold in control effects word is chalk. It's so chalked. And GU is just chilling. Very not a lot of volume at the moment. We're just waiting for this close above. But in this last 4 minutes, it's been rushing. Come on, get a close above. Come on, and then I can actually get a trade today. Get a close above. 35 likes. Do you use Dominion markets? I do not use Dominion. I use IC markets because it's just what you use in the UK because it's just so much better. It's got like, and they've got like over like obviously Raj's I bet it's good and stuff, but IC markets has over like 1 billion, like it's just the biggest one. So if you go IC markets here, so zero spreads. I mean, it's tiny spreads. Like, look at that spreads there. The spread's fucking fire. It's only like $5 per one lot, and it's the biggest one. It's the biggest institution. I'm pretty sure it's huge. So yeah, if you're in the UK, definitely get it. I mean, my withdrawals are just instant. Like basically every single. If I withdraw in the night time, I get one in the morning. So they're pretty fire. Pretty fire. And then their customer service as well is really good. 37 likes in the chat. Wow, we're so close to 40. Run them likes up. Get them 3 ones. Why are good brokers based in Australia? I don't know. I think they just did it, but then the government started getting down on them, and basically what they did was they split into 2 companies and put one in Europe so they could still trade. I think Australia were like being twats about like, I don't know, probably tax or something. There's some top Japan health advisors talking about emergency nationwide. Wow, not looking good for Japan, is it? Oof. Is it possible I use IC markets in Pakistan? Ooh, I don't know actually. Let's have a look. What's these going here? Can you use IC market? It's in Pakistan. Fucking hell. How hard am I? Yeah, you can. So if you want to use that, make sure you use my my link, bro. Yes, it is. It is, and you can use Pakistan for that. Nice. Yeah, AC markets is fire, bro. So in 2 minutes time, if this doesn't close above, oof. No. 16 minutes left for the candle, the hourly to close. Hasn't really done much in this hourly. It's came down, it's came up. It's around 20 pips, but nothing much yet. Oh yes, come on. Minute 47. Come on, close above. Get some volume above this range, bro. Just run 7 pips. Come on. There we go. Oh my god, we're nearly there. Right, okay, this is looking good. So if I had a 50-minute here, would be my stop loss. Oof, stop loss is gonna be rough. I have to wait for this lower wick, bro. So yeah, if people know me, I like my stop losses at least below 10 pips or 10 pips. I don't really like any higher. Oh, the 30-minute. If this closes there, that's nice. This is looking good here. It's just this little resistance here annoying me. You can see resistance there as well, but that's like 10 pips away there, so it's not too bad. If I got there, my stops would be a break even. So in 50 seconds time, we're closing here. 45 viewers, 38 likes, bro. Okay, boss. Need to move back to Europe as they don't allow US or Canadian clients. Yeah, I know. Oh, so you moved. Where did you live in Europe? Oh, that's a shame. You can't go. Yeah, US rules are just stupid. I just don't get I just don't get it. I just don't get the US rules. Like some rules, like they don't have any rules for them. Like, yeah, you can run around with a gun, but you can't fucking trade forex, bruh. I did it all wrong. Feel like it hit. No, oh, Brian, shush, man. Makes sense though. I know what you mean. But that's a good thing, you know. The chart doesn't sometimes show that, you know, all this kind of news and stuff. If the candles don't print that way, bruh. Switzerland PMSL. What the hell's PMSL? Switzerland. Oh wow, Switzerland's fire, bro. I love Switzerland. I go skiing in Switzerland. It's fire. And I go to Oh no, I go. Well, yeah, is Geneva in Switzerland? Oh, Geneva is its own country. Oh fucking, I'm so bad at geography. I go to Geneva Motor Show every year. Oh yeah. Well, when it's been on, it hasn't been on recently because of COVID, but Geneva Motor Show is fire. 47 viewers, man. 39 likes. Whoa, 39 likes in the chat. That's so fire. Why I moved back to US is beyond me. Where do you live in the US? Oh, fuck off, Zoom. Yeah, Geneva's. Yeah, the border on the French border. Yeah. So I'm going to be waiting 13 minutes now for this close above, which will also be the hourly close. I need to wait for the low wick as well, but we still haven't closed above this region yet, so I'm pretty chill. Let's take its time. These candles here are not giving me much confirmation to go up because they're wicks. They haven't closed above this region here, so I don't care. No trade for me. And if people try to get in these trades here, they would be in drawdown now, so I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. And now we're pulling down. So still, even if you can't break this in this London stream, definitely for NY, I'd still have this kind of zone marked up. For sure. Amazing today, 39 likes. That's cracking. Let's have a look at the weekly. Yeah, the weekly just needs to pull up here. Will be grand. Lovely stuff. Yeah, we just need this close, man. Oklahoma, lol. So going from Switzerland to the middle of nowhere was really something. Oh, Switzerland. Isn't Switzerland like voted one of the best places to live? I swear Switzerland's like up there, bro. Let's have a look here. It's just very expensive, but that's fair. To live in the world. I'm pretty sure it's up there. Yeah, 5th. 5th. Oh, Canada's one. What the fuck? I didn't know that. Canada? Really? I don't really know what goes on in Canada, to be fair. Denmark, Sweden, Norway, so all like this. Yeah, all them countries. Lol, Canada #1. Yeah, bro. Right, 11 minutes time. That's mad, actually. I'm actually surprised by that. I always knew like Sweden and Norway and stuff all like there. They all do life pretty chill. I swear they don't get like any sun either. Canada, Sweden, Norway, Australia, Netherlands. Yeah, bro. Finland. Germany. See, look at this. UK nowhere near because we're a shit country, like. What are the worst? Oh my god, this is gonna be rough. Oh, in the US. No, fuck off. Worst places. Oh yeah, it's just gonna be like Syria and shit now. Ukraine, Zimbabwe. Isn't that where Raja lives? Fucking hell, bless him. Jeez, I want to actually visit all these places, bro. At some point. Look at that tower, man. Actually, I bet that would be homely though. Like fuck. Like here's just a bunch of shit. That'll be homely, bro. Right, 10 minutes time. We're nearly there. 39 likes. Someone give it a last like for that 40 bomb. 40 bomb, bro. Yeah. So this is why we need to be careful here, because you can see this is the 4-hour resistance, as someone said in the chat. But this is also what I was looking at in the hourly. If you get a close above, would be grand. For sure. But this zone, yeah, right there is the risk that we will take. 48 viewers, bro. We've smashed it. We hit 50 today. Oh, bro, I'd love to get 50. Zoom, boys, is fucking Zoom. I need to buy a new thing because it only lets me have 40 minutes. That's ass. Upgrade to Pro. How much is Pro? Fucking hell, £11 a month. What the fuck? For Zoom. Jeez, Zoom raking it in there. Like, I think I'm not a student anymore, so students don't get shit for free anymore. No. Did GU continue? Looks like it. Nope. GU's literally sat there for fucking ages. Hey bro, with your sell yesterday, did you take the sell because the bearish candle was so strong as it didn't close below that support? Yeah, and even if so like what I did was like this. I'll show you. That's actually a cracking question because some people would have got confused. Let me get my shit out. Okay, so as you can see, we started to break above here, and then we started hitting resistance right here. Then we started closing bearish. These are 30-minute time frames, bear in mind, so these are big. Then this one came along. I was like, oh wow, this is looking good. Okay, then I entered. This candle closed. This candle closed here. Then this one wicked up like that. Can you see that wick? 1 second. Let me just move this a bit more in depth here. So this candle wicked up. Okay. And then, when price started to exceed the lows here, I was like, bro, we're going to leave. This is a lot of volume here. I've got a really good stop loss, which is only like, so I got in like there. Yeah, it's only like 10 pips. Happy with that. And I looked at how the higher time frames are setting up, and they were really, really good. So I was like, oh, bro. Then, we come down, we push. This candle closes, and I'm like, right, okay, we've actually closed down support now. I could even enter here. But I'm already in the trade, which is great. So I put my stops to break even at that point on this line, which is here, and then the rest just fell down. Here I took profits about this level here, and then furthermore I literally looked left. So if we look left, let's just take all this stuff off now. We look left, and my last zone was 274, I think. Yeah, so here, so can you see this little kind of level here? So like right here. That was the next level from breaking below these lows here, which is here. So I took some off at 151.5, and then the rest at 151.27 something. And that's how I traded it, because there's so much volume. Like, look how big that candle was. Like, we were flying. Also, like the hourly and the 4 hour. Like, look at the hourly; it was flying past. The 4 hour was just flying down. So I was like, oh, bro, I'm gonna hold this on. It's just when you start getting used to seeing the volume, like, you're happy to enter some trades for sure. Right, we got 6 minutes left for this to close. People in Zoom, I'll send you another link in a second. It's just this fucking Zoom's just piss a bit off. 1 second. End meeting. Later. Nice stream again. Nice stream again, mate. I'm off to for GU, not moving much. I'm up 2 wins for the week, so no rush. Having a nice day. Wow, lovely, amazing. Congrats, bro. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a fine day. Let's go. Announce the wait for this close above. There we go, here we go. Let's join audio right here. Let's take me off mute for some reason. It always puts you on mute. So get the annotations on and invite. Here we go. Nice. Instagram. So, in 5 minutes time we are closing. In 5 minutes time, guys. So not too long now, and we should be up and running. Let's get this off. Why is this on? 381 is not bad at all for today. Wow. Let's just get that one off. I'm trying to find the YouTube. Where the fuck is it? There we go. Nice, 46 viewers, amazing. We got our 41, like we got our 40 bomb, nice stuff. So you can see here, price is not really giving me much confidence that we're going to close above this resistance. So this is why the discipline comes in, man. This is why the discipline comes in, okay? Because the amount of times I could have entered there, like I literally could have entered 3 times there when we're exceeding these highs again, and you know, you would have been losing all 3 of them, and that can screw your account. Whereas if I just wait 4 minutes, I can see if we're going to close above or below. That is the key. You need, if impulses are only there when there's a huge amount of volumes, you've made a top wick or a bottom wick, and then you can enter with a really nice stop loss. But apart from that, impulses, most people lose money on their impulses, I'm telling you. So just wait for the candles to close, and then you'll be grand. As you can see, this 15-minute here is just ranging. It's not doing too well. Gold just ranging as well. GU doing ranging as well. So 8 o'clock closed there, so there hasn't been much movement really. They've only, if you got in at 8 o'clock here, you'd have taken fucking 12 pips drawdown, and you've already gained 12 pips. So yeah, not good. Nice, man, great trade. I missed it. Nice dream. What are your thoughts on? I was waiting for the close below with a 4-hour closing too, but knew our 4-hour wick wasn't big enough. Ah, okay, yeah, that's fair. No, yeah, I like that trade yesterday. 60 pip move, man. 60 pip move. Let's go. So today we talked about GU buys, which were not the best, which is unfortunate because the volume just wasn't there. We're talking still about GU buys, and gold is a range, so I'm leaving gold. Gold is not good today. Gold is a no-go. Oh, boys, this is what I'm wanting. Ah, yes. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay. Slow down. Hold your horses. Daily also seemed to be printing an inverse head and shoulders on GJ. Ah. Head and shoulders. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Right, come on, 2 minutes time. Oh my god, I'm ready for this. Come on. This is what I'm waiting for, guys. If you guys don't know what I'm waiting for and you can see, let's just move this closer so you guys can see my chart. So I'm waiting for this close above, which it looks like we might be getting. I hope so. Anyway, you better fucking close like that. Anyway, close like this, then make a bottom wick like here. And then ho! Then the next candle. Obviously, this is not the hourly time frame. I'm expecting 15 to do this, but anyway, like this. That's what I'm waiting for. So come on, give me that close. As long as it closes around this area, I'm happy, to be honest, because the hourly closed 30-minute, the 15-minute. So buy stops here could be actually valid. So buy stop above 152.199 can be actually valid right now. If this closes in 1 minute's time, I'd kind of be happy because we're closing above the 30-minute resistance here, and the hourly. So this is 30-minute and hourly. It's just a 50-minute here. I had a bit of a one candle above and then dropped down, but that's all right. I'd rather look at the 30-minute and the hourly here, and we've got a nice range to fill here. So nice range to fill. So there's lots of different ways you can go by this trade. Okay, you could either get in when we exceed the highs up here, 199, and then have your stop loss here, so 10 pip stop. Or you could wait for this candle to close, wait the lower wick, and then it starts exceeding, then go, which is what I'll be doing, most likely. Because if this candle breaks off straight away here, I probably won't be liking it, to be honest. Oh, don't close there, please. Don't close there. Don't close there. Come on. Please. Just a little bit higher, bro. Come on. We need to close above so you can have that valid. Oh, no. It's actually not going to do it. Oh, bro. Oh, you motherfucker. Well. Is this on? Oh, shit, yeah, so. Why can't I hear any music anymore? What the fuck? The fuck? Oh, there. So the 50-minute close bearish, bro. So, what does this mean? This is rough. This is rough. 50 minutes time here now. What time is it now? 9 o'clock. Okay, okay, okay. 50 viewers in the chat. Okay, okay, okay. We were still looking for buys here, and we were literally so close to making it. And, you know, guys, if you're new to this kind of way of trading, the reason why I needed this close above right here is because we've price rejected before, so I need the confirmation that in this 30 minutes we should have enough volume and enough bullish pressure to at least close above this resistance. And we had this whole time, and we still couldn't close above. Therefore, the trades are invalid, and there is a lot of resistance here, so you have to be careful. Now, this hourly is completely fine as long as it makes this low wick here, and then the next one closes, the 15-minute closes above. I'll be entering there, because basically what that will be doing is it'll be making the lower wick here. So wherever this comes down to, like here, make it this lower wick, probably around about this region here. Oh my god, I'm so bad at that. 1 second. So like coming down here, make it this lower wick. So that'll be red, and then when we start coming up and flipping again, when we start to come in, and when we start exceeding this, I'll probably be happy to go, and then the 50 minutes will just go like this. Hopefully into the next zones and the next zones and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's really interesting, that. But it's good that the hourly's already got its bottom wick, so if the bottom wick is already formed here, which is good. It's just this 50-minute, bro, like that is rough. And the 30-minute close above, so I'd rather wait for this 15-minute, unfortunately, because I need a strong confirmation. How do you buy magic keys for the one screen, not physical? Same like you do this. Magic keys. You go magic keys, you press on-screen version. There you go. Go down, and there you go. Add to cart, and then there you go, done. Easy. Easy peasy. Yep, GU didn't have the volume to push either. So it might be looking now like, I mean, if you do get a close, that's fine. But also we need to remember, guys, that we do have news coming at half 9. Services PMI. So if I don't get in a trade before then, so if this does close this next 15-minute above here, I probably will enter. But if not, and you know we're waiting still longer, I'll have to wait until that news comes out. We'll have to see how that news reacts. We will have to see. But guys, if you haven't given it a like already or subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm here every day 7:30. I don't miss a day at the moment, which is great. Which is great. So yeah, I'm just waiting really patient here. You can see the discipline in my bones. Oh mate, I hope like today, like gold like fucks out of this zone. Like it's just so boring. This zone here, bro. Get out, please. You've been in it for like fucking 5 days. It's just boring to watch. Give me some movements, boy. I just have checked gold. It's still gash. Yeah, not happy with gold at all. It's still in a range. I mean, you could probably get a trade maybe up to here, but that's only like 15 pips. Like, fuck that shit. Hell no. Gold will be ranging until Friday. Mark my words. This last hourly here, wow, close complete doji candle. That is mad. If you guys got any charts that you did today or any trades, feel free to send them. All different charts, different currencies. I'll look at all of them. Oh, I just saw something. You go into trade full time or pursue a career in maths. Well, trading full time will be the thing. Maths is just a side note. I don't really give a shit about maths. Maths is just for like a banking job for a bit. But I won't be there for long. because it's not really my passion. This is my passion. It's always been my passion since I was like 13. So 13, man, 13. I started trading. First of all, I traded like Apple and shit like that, and then went on to currencies when I was like 15. But yeah, see this hourly hasn't closed above, so you need to be very, very careful here. The daily hasn't exceeded the low, the high of the previous, so that is a skeptical. But if we do exceed the high of the previous, we should continue, which is at 199. So if we do for some reason get a lot of volume at 199, I may do a buy stop because we're exceeding the high of the previous daily. We are passing the zone, so that's probably where a buy stop will be placed right here, 200 level. 39 viewers, welcome everyone. We're doing class. It's a good. Is it Wednesday now? It's Wednesday. Good Wednesday morning. We're chilling. This 4 hour is going to close in 50 minutes time, so that's very, very key. So in 50 minutes time, have a look, see where it closed. If it hasn't closed above this resistance here, then I have a feeling it'll be sellers all day. So if it hasn't closed above this resistance here, oh my god, there's going to be some sellers, I feel. But that obviously dropped down to the lower time frame. That's exactly what this resistance is. So as long as you break it up above it again, I think it'll be good. But we need to wait patiently here. The news might push it if there's good news, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. But you can see now where candles are forming. This candle here. 1 second. These candles here are making very, very long wicks, showing signs of rejection. Same here. It's always rejection. So if you look at like long candles like that, it shouldn't give you much momentum. So if you look over here, there's probably going to be some over here as well. Yeah, exactly the same. You see here? Long wicks here. Long wicks here. Shows and here, look. Long wicks here. Shows support. So these long wicks, like up here, like here, like there, and there, shows kind of levels of support and resistance, basically. Yes, sir. Oh shit! What did I just do then? So this could be the low wick of the 30, even though we actually already have exceeded the past 30. This is the low of the hourly, sorry. So as long as the hourly doesn't exceed the low here, we should be good for some buys. I need to wait for it to make some support though, a certain level. Support could be either here again or further up. We have to just see. You can see the discipline for this is pretty hard, especially at the moment. God damn. 30 minutes time, coming down. Yeah, we're still waiting, boys. 38 averaging, that's amazing, man. 60-minute average, we're doing class, boys. It's only Wednesday as well, we're doing amazing. Why do you think it would be... Oh shit, there's been so many comments I can't see. 1 second. Why would you think it would be a buy, not a sell? What, for GJ? Well, if you look at GJ, what are the candles printing? They're printing white. This one's red at the moment, but, well, this is white or blue, I don't know whatever colour that is. But we are bullish. This is why I'm looking for buys. Above this resistance right here. So 20 minutes time, the 30 minutes going to close. We need to wait patiently. I think it'll start to relax before the news. So the news is coming out in 20 minutes time. And it is actually an important one. Let's have a look. So it doesn't look important. But it is level of diffusion index based on surveying managing in the services industry. Yeah, so to services and stuff, they need to see kind of momentum. This should be changed quite a lot. So last time it was 57.8. Where is it? Oh no, March here. More. Okay, so greater than forecast, greater than forecast. It looks like it's going to be greater than forecast, which will be good for our buys. If it's great for our buys, that's good. But yeah, I'm still looking at this zone here. 152.199 would be nice, and stop loss would be like 152.1 below that candle. But I still want that close above. Especially this hourly. If this hourly can't close in 49 minutes time there, oof, we are not going up, boys. But I still think there's a lot of potential here. If you guys got any questions, put them in the chat. I can answer any questions. Do psychology, trading, how to trade, how much money you have to put in, what lot sizes, what leverage should I have, all that kind of questions as well. Not just about like the actual charts. Anything. 42 likes in the stream. But yeah, I'm really needing this close, man. Really needing it. I need it, boy. I need it. We need that close above the stream. But yeah, so in 3 minutes time it's going to close like this. This is not looking good at all. We'll be looking at gold here. Let's have a look. This could be a no trade day today. Especially with price coming down like this. Oof. Get rid of that one now. Nice. Yeah, we should wait for this 9:30 and we'll find out some more news. It should be good. Oh, but this range here will be so nice to fill, man. Hope it comes in this time. Like 20 minutes left. I'll wait for news as well, guys. I'll wait for news, see how that can impact it. That'll be good. Alright, let me no copyright. None. Copyright free. Funk music. Yeah, is funk like? Is like funk what I like? Oh yes. Let's try this. Let's get some beats on. Oh yeah, this is more my style. Fuck yeah. 17 hours of it as well. Shee. Can you guys hear this or not? I think it's quite loud. Oh yeah, that's vibey. We're waiting for GJ to close. Let's see how. It's just 17 hours. Whoa, look at this shit. Haha, that's sick. How about disco? I put a copyright free one on last time and I got copyright infringement. I was like, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Get that beat on, boys. I want to actually try and buy some like copyrights for some songs because I kind of want them on the stream. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, not too long now. Fucking I'll get this off. It's annoying as hell now. The hip hop one here is probably the best, to be fair. It's more vibey and focused. So we've got 60 minutes time for this. This 50-minute close. Oh, it hasn't closed yet. And the good thing is, it hasn't closed in this region here. So it hasn't closed yet in this region, which suggests that it's really holding this support now, which is good. It's good for buys. It's good. We just need to wait for some solid kind of momentum to come. It's been very quiet, but the reason is it's probably because there's news in 15 minutes. So we'll probably have to wait for news now, which is fine. And the news could be good. The past ones that have happened have been has been good for this past couple weeks. Not weeks, sorry, months. So we could be alright. 42 likes in the stream, man. Well done. If you guys haven't liked already, please feel free to like it. If you guys have learned much from the stream today, even though there's been no trades, we've been, initializing discipline and all that good stuff. Oh yes, great discipline, and we'll be good. We'll be good in a bit, as long as this 30-minute wicks back up. So this hourly looking good. Yeah, 44 likes the stream. Sheesh. Yo yo yo. Yo in the chat. Yo 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 in the chat. What pairs do you trade? GJ and gold. Sheesh. Sheesh. GJ and gold. GJ and gold is the fire. It's the good shit. Okay. So as you can see here, this candle, it didn't actually close below here. So I'm still happy for buys as long as we get a close above here. But as I said, news is coming in, so it's very, very likely to just leave. Sorry, it's very, very important to just leave news, let it sink in, then if there's a little momentum, you'll be able to take it. But yeah, add a Nasdaq. It's not the way I trade, bro. Not the way I trade. I trade nice. I trade free. How about creating a community on Telegram for sharing trades? What? And a paid one? I could do a paid, but I just feel. I could do a paid. I'll make a shitload of money for it, but I just feel the time is not yet. I'll think what I could do later on. But at the moment, I'm good. I'm good with the streams. August slow as hell. Can't wait for them autumn rockets. 150 pips. August has been slow actually quite recently. Not too bad. Yesterday's alright though actually. Yeah, I'm gonna be creating a Discord actually. So Discord for everyone, so everyone can like kind of put their trades in and stuff like that. I want to make like a community there. That'd be pretty cool. But that'll take time because Discord takes ages to make. This candle's wicked up quite nicely here, even though we did exceed the last 30-minute right here. It's not too bad. If this passes the 50-minute, that'll be looking good for buys here. But yeah, the news is really, really close now, so you have to just chill. But if it's better than expected, buy stops could be good. Buy stops could be nice. For news, for me, I'll have to see. I'm just wanting that close above, really, to be honest. And hopefully with news, it makes a little wick, and then bam, it'll be flying. That's what I'll be looking for. I'm just liking that it's the 5 minutes hold in this kind of zone here. So 30 minutes about to flip. The 50 minutes going to exceed the highs of the previous. Okay. The hourly is going to flip at a certain point. It's just because news is here, man. For fuck's sake. So if people don't know what I'm talking about with news can be very, very volatile. We've looked here, we don't know what the numbers are going to be. So if this is really, really bad, for example, but we do get a close just before the news comes out here, price is going to fucking fall, isn't it? So it's a risk that you got to take if you want to have a risky trade, or just wait until the news has been announced, which will be here, and then you can start looking. Hopefully it'll make a low wick and then start coming. And if it does exceed this kind of zone here, then I'll be happy. So if a buy stop above here for this news, I probably will hold. My stop loss will be below here, so 10 pip stop, and price has a 22 pip range and then a 40 pip if it has some volume. So that's what I'll be looking for, I think. So yeah, it's low impact, won't move a lot. Yep, that's exactly the thing. But still, I mean, it's low impact here, but if this is a huge number or a really, really shit number, it's still going to be doing something. I don't know how much of an impact it is. It depends on the institutions and how they think. Jeez. Right. Damn, won't be a while yet. Nice final surface PMI. It's not too bad, boy. Not too bad, I feel. Lovely stuff. Let's have a look further on. Oof, look at that, bro. Woo! Look at that, boy. So I just got a referral on Fun and Talent. Whoever did that, thank you, because you'll be paying for my new monitor. I'm gonna be having a curved one, bro. I'm gonna have a setup and a half. Holy shit! I've got like 3 monitors. Jeez. 4 monitors will be there. I need to get the arm things to hold them up. That'll be pretty fire. Have you ever looked into weekly timing? Wednesday, London makes it high for the week or the low? No, I haven't actually. I haven't looked at the weekly. I kind of look at where it is on the day. I don't really look into like the highs and the lows and stuff like that. It's just what I'm trading at like that at that point. I should really. I want this close above. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Mate, 45 likes, bro. This is the best. I think my best likes after this was like 30. So go over each Wednesday quickly. I can't go over our dailies here. So today is Wednesday. What was the last one? The 28th, 21st. Yeah. Made the weekly high, did it? No. Yeah, it didn't. I didn't make the low either. 28th. I don't know. Is that Wednesday? I'm waiting for this candle to close. Oh wow! So look, this candle's gonna flip right now. Oh my god. So 8 minutes time we'll be waiting for this news to come out. See how it is. Tell you what, the stream's growing nicely, man. This is sick, man. I hope you enjoyed it. Have you guys got any tips or anything you want me to change, or you know, anything on like what you're visually seeing? For example, like the stream, like I've got GJ at the top, London session, I've got the time, got trades we talked about. Haven't taken any trades yet, and in the chat on the left, you guys will like that. Is that what you like? Cause like, bro, I like how doing this. I saw Control Effects like, bro, I need to do this because there's some like streams on YouTube and like they just look so boring, man. Like, I need mine hyped up, man. I need like on Fridays, I kind of want to like have like a beer with the boys, like, and the beers with the boys and girls. Like that'll be just fire, like just nice vibes. So yeah. Where are you from, bro? Newcastle in England. Toot Background Army. Where Shearer's from, if you know where Shearer. Actually, to be fair, you might not know. People don't really know football. People don't really know football. Football, bro. But you can see this 4 hourly. In 36 minutes time, if it doesn't close above here, oh no, not good at all. But this hourly's still got 36 minutes left, so let's see this news coming out, see what happens. A buy stop here could be good for some news if you wanted to, but it'd be a bit risky. So I'll probably stay away because I'm nowhere near it. Yeah, so we're gonna have to see here. This 30-minute closes bearish here. We're gonna have to see. So this is how we deal with news. I'll show you how we deal with news. We're gonna be on here. We're gonna be refreshing. It's gonna be fun. Look, see, so you can refresh already. It won't give me anything though. Ooh. Refresh it, boy. Yeah, this candle's gonna be flipping, so oh, look at that. Look at that resistance, boys. So if this hasn't made you happy, I don't know what is, right? If you guys have stuck to your plan like me, I could have entered this trade, been stupid, the impulses, and you know, a lot of trades before in different sessions, and not different sessions, in different days before, a lot of impulses would have worked. But this is why I don't take impulses, bro, because unless it's like completely reliable. Because look, we have resistance here. We never closed above it. Okay, we never closed above it. And now look at it. You could have easily, I bet someone today would have bought there. When this came up, probably bought there. They've just done like 4 trades and lost like 5 pips in each one. So they just lost 20 pips, 30 pips. Like, you need to be careful. If there's a big resistance and you know it's a big resistance, don't get in, man. Just wait. Wait for the candle to close. Yes, you might. On sometimes they might get a better entry than you, but most times you're going to catch their moves and not also get bummed if it goes wrong. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh fuck! I didn't mean to do that. Unpin. Right here. Oh shit. Get that off. Right. Let's have a look here. This is looking at the snapshot. Wow. Okay. On average, New York to when London makes high low. Wednesday, high. Wednesday, low. So Wednesday looks like a quite a volatile thing. So is you suggesting that price is going to be making a high here? Very good idea. Very, very good idea. That's good analysis. That looking at different days. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. Right. So we're near to news. Ooh, you can be stressed. I'm in sell. The fuck you in sell? Where? Oh, GJ. Just be careful of the news, bro. I know it's not impact, but still, it can still fuck you. Have fun with your sells. Unfortunately, I'd be inclined for sells if you come back down to this zone. But if we haven't exceeded the highs, if you haven't exceeded the lows of the previous here, there's no kind of bias to sells at the moment. Sells is more down this region where I got my nice trade down there. Whoo! And you can see here, you know, this 4 hour and 33 minutes needs to close above this resistance here. It needs to really kind of secure that it's going to go up. So yeah, we'll be waiting patiently. Patience, yeah. Right. 30 minutes time. Yeah, it just needs to start moving up here, unfortunately. Unfortunately. So 32 minutes time. Yeah, it still has a lot of time, to be fair. It still has a lot of time. So 2 minutes time. Let's get on Forex Factory, guys. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is. Let's have a look. Let's start flipping it. So this is the fun. This is the excitement. Seeing the news. Oh. Oh, you're in GU cells. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's fair. Broken below support there. Yeah, it's pretty valid to me. Fair dues. Not enough receiving enough video to maintain smoothing streaming. Oh shit. Okay, let me take this off. Right, so minute 55 time, guys. We can have a look at the news right here. It's gonna be interesting. You'll have a see. So I'll just write in the thing. GGA news soon. Let's have a look. So it should be low impact, but you never know if these actual are very, very bad. You don't know. What do you think of the market conditions this week so far? Not too bad. Quite erratic, but there's been quite a lot of volume, so not too bad. I think there's been not much volume today. I think yesterday didn't have much volume either. It did, but then it kind of died off. Not too bad, just the average. Nothing amazing. There's a week in I think June or July where I fucking got so many pips in like 2 days. It was great. I think it was like the open of COVID and all that kind of stuff in the UK. So 47 likes. We're so close to 50. If you haven't given it a like already, please let's get it to 50 likes. That would be much appreciated. That would make my day. Like 50 likes in my like 5th stream, bro. That'd be sick. Give it a like, boys. Give it a like if you haven't already. 47 likes. That's 47 people. That's huge, man. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like we'll be getting much trades today. Let's have a look. So 23 seconds time, we're going to be looking at the news here, seeing what's what. Seeing what's what. Seeing what's what. Great stream, brother. Thanks, and see you tomorrow. See you later, my man. See you later. Have 49 likes. Oh, we're so close. We're so close. 49 likes. Right, let's see. So it should be coming on about now. Is it 9:30? Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look here. What are the numbers going to be? So we're expecting 57.8. Request actual. Request actual. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, gold is rough at the moment. I would stay well away from it. Oh my god, hurry up. Has the news came out yet on here? Is it starting to move? Oh. Have a nice guy. Have a nice guy. Have a nice guy. Have a nice day. Why is it not coming out, bro? Come on. It's 9:30, isn't it? Yeah, it's 9:30. Let me load it up completely again. Let me load it up completely. Haha, you're hoping more like Tommy. Tommy, you're hoping. You're hoping for down. What the bro? Why is it not coming out, man? Why is it taking so long? What the fuck? Why is it not taking so long, man? It is 59.6. Oh, which website did you use? Okay, that's good then. That's good then. It's not good for Tommy, but go look at the calendar on FX Street. It loads much faster. Ah, FX Street. Okay. FX Street. Jeez, we got 50 likes, man. That's amazing. That's a W in the chat. Fuck yeah. Economic calendar. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Holy shit, how many words, bro? I don't like words. Oh, here. Okay. GJ 59.6. Wow. So that's better than expected. That's good. That's good. As you can see, price is starting to come up now here. Let's have a look at this hourly. The hourly's starting to come up. Okay, so this is like interesting now. I'm liking this. So we're exceeding the high of the previous 30-minute gal, guys. Let's have a look here. This is looking good. This is looking good. I'll be waiting for further more like here. Exceeding the highs here. MetaTrader notification. Go look at the calendar. If we're making top wick on GG, this could drop hard. I don't know. On the 1 hour, it looks like we've just made the bottom wick right here for the news, and we are starting to come up now. I'm looking at kind of a buy stop around this area. We start blasting off. Stop blasting off. We got a like in the chat. We got 50 likes. Woo! So this 5 minute. Can you see we're starting to approach back up again? I'm gonna keep on the stream here. No load time frame bottom wick. What do you mean? Oh, the 15 minutes on a bottom wick. Oh, yeah, you're right. Fuck. Oh, that's a good point. Maybe a close. Maybe a close. I'll give it 11 minutes. I'll give it 11 minutes. But this does have potential now. Let's go. I'm gonna put some W's in the chats. W's in the chats. We got 50 likes. We got 50 likes. Let's get it. Let's get it. How long are you planning to stream, bro? I normally finish at 9:30 now, and it looks like we're going to finish because we can't exceed the highs. So in about 5 minutes here, bro. 5 minutes, and I'll be back tomorrow as usual. I sold lol. But right here. Where would your stop be? Above this candle here. That's looking good now. Wow, look at that flip, bro. This is why news is very, very volatile. You need to be careful. 113. Oh, right there. Fucking hell, okay. Okay, okay. Gold's starting to come back down that range. GU news gone. So yeah, is this not refreshed yet? I want to see in this one. There we go, 59.6. So it's better than expected, but not too better, and it didn't really do much really. So guys, before I go, because we didn't exceed those highs there, I wasn't interested. But before I go, there's a couple of things we need to talk about. So for NY, if people are trading NY, this is what I feel is going to happen right now. So right now we're going to be driving down. It's fine. Drive down whatever to the next level. Might be down here. 1 second, right here. And then we could be starting to come up here like this. Starting to exceed all this kind of stuff. And then obviously as New York comes, you'll get some nice volume. So you can either get in like here when we exceed these highs here, or wait for a close above again, wait for the low to be formed, and then there we go. So this will be the trade I'm looking for. Yes, sir. But apart from that, we'll be waiting. We'll be waiting. But yes, if you need this for New York, definitely use this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap out up here. Let's have a look where price is moving right now. It's made its bottom wick now. To be fair, it has made its bottom wick now. I'll wait a little bit longer. I want to see it drive back down here, and then I'll be happy to leave it. But we can stay on for a little bit longer here, guys. Where did GU go? GU fell quite nicely here. Nice 30-minute bearish closure. It's good stuff. Dude, bottom wick formed. Yeah, I know. That's good. That's why I like it more. That's why I like it more. Me gusta. Me gusta. And this 50-minute hasn't exceeded the low of the previous yet. So in 8 minutes time, if we get a closure, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, I think. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more. A little bit more. Let's have a look here. 5 minute. Yeah, so it is a bit choppy, but I'm just gonna wait a little tiny bit more. Thank you, Adnan, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I just got a notification. $50 likes in the stream. That is amazing. We got 50 likes today. Amazing stuff. Let's just do a nice little story. 24 views right now. Amazing, guys. GJ could not break above our zones. It's still not breaking above. We're still waiting. But yeah, even though we didn't get it, we're still waiting. 50 likes in the stream, providing value. We looked at GJ, we looked at GU, we looked at gold. Very low volatile today. We just got some news on Forex Factory. It was actually better than expected, but price didn't really do much because it's quite a low impact zone. But yeah, we're still waiting for a close above here, which could happen at New York. Laughing out loud, I wasn't even subbed. Jeez, right, so yeah, I'm gonna give it 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes just to make sure. I don't want to get off the stream now here and then it starts to run. Waiting for this candle to close. And if it closes above here, in the 15-minute, maybe like here or here, to be fair, anything above this kind of region here, I'm happy to take a trade with stop loss below here. Oh yes, I am. But if not, guys, what I'll say is tomorrow we'll come back, do the exact same thing again, do the exact same setups, and hopefully they're there. And then also, if you're trading New York, go check out Control FX's stream. Really good stream. And hopefully you'll be able to break this zone if you can't do it now. Zoom has gone again, which is annoying, but we're done with Zoom anyway. So 20 minutes time here, not too bad. But yeah, look at that resistance. It is a solid resistance. So, you know, when you come to the charts at New York, make sure, you know about this beefy resistance. Be careful with it because it stretches all the way over here. And it's also being resistance here. So you need to be careful. It is the close above we need, not any impulses. You need the closes, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna wrap that up here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh wait, one sec, Vic. Do you look to do weekend evening prep during the week or for your trading strat? I actually don't at all. Because to be honest, on Sunday I will. On Sunday I'll do like a bit of stuff, bit of prep, bit of recapping from the last week and see what moves I could have caught and what moves I would have missed, and just to make sure the strategy still works. You just do that every week to kind of just keep it fresh. But apart from that, nothing much really. I do back testing like once a month or something. But no, because as you've done it so many times, the discipline's already there and you know what you're doing. So, but when you early on and you're trying to find your strategy, you need to be there You need to be there doing that every weekend, like looking at what you could do better. The one thing that helped me before I go, guys, was my thank you, my boy, 50 likes. Yeah, the one thing that helped me was definitely the doing your trading on here. So Trello, I've already said it to a lot of people here. People probably know, but 182 people follow, and it's just basically all trade ideas, all losses, all wins, and then yeah. I haven't updated it in a while because it's been busy, but yeah, someone's changed the background. Is that Star Wars background? Who the hell changed the background here? That looks like the Star Wars swamp, I swear. Anyway, guys, I'll wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it. See you later, guys.